Hello.
How are you?
We're very good. We're very
Right,
fine.
nice.
Perfect.
Very nice. So what's your good name?
Miranda.
Miranda. And you?
Annie.
Annie. Thank you very much, Miranda and
it's
Annie.
more people.
Yeah. We would like
More-
to know how you celebrate the Christmas here. This year.
We're with our family and eat a lot of food and drinks a lot of drinks.
All right.
And drink snaps and beer and
Nice.
eat meatballs. And look.
And June.
Jewelry.
Yeah, he's from
Okay.
USA. He was
Okay.
There's a lot of like Christmas food, a lot of fish that's been like fermented.
Vilken fisk?
Sea.
See.
Okay.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from the U.S., but I've spent most of my life here in Sweden.
Okay. All right. What's your good name?
Felix.
Felix.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Nice. And you?
Jacob.
Jacob. Where are you from?
I'm from Sweden.
You're from Sweden. All right.
same.
And are you friends?
Yes, we're friends.
All together?
Apparently, yes.
Yeah.